At Carepatron, we are constantly looking at ways to improve. If you have any feedback on how we can improve our videos and resources, please leave us a comment in the comment section below. A chiropractic intake form is an essential document used to collect comprehensive patient information during their initial visit to a chiropractic clinic. It helps chiropractors assess a patient's physical condition and create personalized treatment plans. These forms typically include sections for pain levels, symptoms, medical history, previous surgeries, family health background, insurance information, referral sources, and emergency contacts. To help you get started, follow this easy step-by-step guide to effectively utilize Carepatron's Chiropractic Intake Form template. Step 1. Download the template. Click Use Template in the Carepatron app to access and customize the Chiropractic Intake Form. If you prefer a PDF version, simply click Download for immediate access. Step 2. Fill out the form fields. Provide the form to your patient and ask them to fill in the relevant fields, including personal details, emergency contacts, and insurance information. Be sure they include current symptoms, health history, and any specific concerns to ensure a thorough evaluation. Step 3. Review and finalize the form. Carefully review the completed form for accuracy, paying particular attention to prior treatments, symptoms, and insurance details. Ensure all required sections are filled out, including the patient's signature and date, to prevent delays during the visit. Step 4. Save and secure. Save the completed chiropractic intake form to the patient's electronic health records. This documentation will be essential for ongoing care and future visits. This intake form template is ideal for various scenarios to enhance care quality and streamline patient intake. Initial consultations. Collect essential health and background information from new patients during their first visit. Updating records. Use the form to refresh existing patient data, including any recent medical updates or insurance changes. Pre-appointment preparation. Send the form in advance to ensure all necessary information is completed before the appointment. In-depth evaluations. Gather detailed insights for patients with chronic or complex conditions requiring comprehensive assessments. Insurance and billing. Use the insurance section to document coverage and payment details for smoother claims processing. You can learn more about topics like chiropractic intake form in our guides library on our Carepatron website. Visit our website and sign up for free. If this video is helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more of our content.